In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a custom module in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a new module set up with your own fields, naming, and permissions ready for your team to use. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho credentials so you can access your CRM account. Once you're in, you'll be on the main Zoho CRM dashboard where you normally see your standard modules like leads, contacts, and deals. Now, look up to the top right corner of the screen and find the gear icon. This is the setup or settings area for your CRM. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. This is where you can manage all of your customization options, including modules, fields, automation, and more. Within the settings area, find and click on the option called modules and fields. This section controls how your modules are structured and what fields are available inside each one. It's essentially the place where you design the data structure of your CRM. Once you're in modules and fields, look for the button or link that says create new module and click it. This starts the process of building your custom module from scratch rather than modifying an existing one. You'll be asked to select the type of module you want to create. Choose the appropriate category, such as an organization module or a team module, depending on how you plan to use it. For example, if this module is meant to store information about companies or groups, an organization type may be more suitable. Take a moment to think about how this module will fit into your overall CRM structure, then make your selection. After selecting the module type, click Next to move into the Layout Customization screen. This is where you decide what information you want to store in this module. On the layout screen, you'll see a list of field types on one side and a blank or basic layout on the other. To build your module, drag and drop custom fields into the layout. You can add text fields, number fields, pick lists, dates, checkboxes, and more, depending on what kind of data you need. Try to group related fields together logically so it's easy for your team to understand and use. For instance, you might keep contact-related fields in one area and status or tracking fields in another. Once you're satisfied with the fields and overall layout, click Save. This confirms your layout design and moves you on to the module details. Next, you'll set the module name. Enter both the singular and plural forms of the name. For example, if the module is called Partner, the plural might be Partners. This helps Zoho CRM display the module correctly throughout the interface, such as in menus and record views. After naming your module, choose the appropriate CRM team space. This determines where in your CRM environment the module will live and which part of your organization it's grouped with. Pick the team space that matches the team or department that will primarily use this module. Then set the module permission. Here you decide who can view, edit, or manage this module and its records. Select the permission level or profiles that make sense for your organization's access policies, making sure sensitive data is only visible to the right people. When all of these details are set, click Save one more time. Your custom module is now created and ready to be used inside Zoho CRM. You can start adding records, relate it to other modules, and integrate it into your existing workflows.